Hi there, this is Penelope. This is the 6th video in a series of short videos for MG5004 Test 2 2020. This is question 6. Again, the same as question 5, it actually is a partial fraction. You need to decompose the question into the partial fractions before you can do that, before you can integrate. Factorise the bottom line. And then split it up. Do the multiplying thing. And then let's have a look. So if x is equal to -3, the left hand side is 20. A term goes away and we're left with -4, so b equals -5. If we choose x equal to 1, we have 8 equals 4 times a, so a is equal to 2. So now it means we can integrate because we can break it up. Minus okay, so the first term would be 2 times the natural log of x minus 1 minus 5 times the natural log of x plus 3, and you could leave it like that, or you could use your rules of logs to say that that's x minus 1 squared over x plus 3 5 plus c. Done.